These are some interesting and fun facts about the universe I bet you didn't know. Those space facts are also proved by scientists and people. So let's start our journey to space. We already have a word for something that doesn't exist, but will exist in the future. Blue dwarf. A red dwarf that has been spending the last of its hydrogen. The first of its kind of star is not expected to exist until 1 trillion years into the future. Another fact is that the blue dwarf will eventually in time turn to a white dwarf. Then, a white dwarf star cools down. It starts the process of becoming a black dwarf. This process can take as little as quadrillion years or as much as 37 quadrillion years. This is the ultimate fate of our sun. Our universe is only 13.8 billion years old, so it's sure it will take some time. On Mercury, the day is twice as long as on Earth. Indeed, all of the planets in our solar system have different times of day and night and the speed of their rotation. On Earth, it is 23 hours and 56 minutes. On Jupiter, it is around 10 hours. On Pluto, it is 156 hours. 1 teaspoon of neutron star weighs the same as the human population. The neutron star can also spin at a rate of 600 rotations per second. Space is completely silent. Space is a vacuum, and sound is not able to travel in a vacuum. If there is oxygen in the universe, you will be able to blow up the whole universe with just a single lighter. Imagine how would this super big explosion look. We can only see 3% of the universe due to the speed of the expansion of space. The furthest parts of the universe travel faster than the speed of light, so it is impossible for the light to reach us. You can fit all planets in the solar system in space between the Earth and the Moon. There are 2 confirmed oceans in the universe, one on Earth and one on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Titan has seas of liquid methane and ethane on its surface, also has waves up to a couple of centimeters. The innermost and 3rd largest of the 4 Galilean moons of the planet, Jupiter, called Io, is the most volcanically active world in the solar system. It has volcanoes all over its surface. If a multiverse does exist, there could be new colors in another universe. The Sun loses around 5.5 million tons of mass every second and around 174 trillion tons of mass every year. Humans are able to live in space without a suit for up to 90 seconds, but chimpanzees can last up to 3 minutes. If there was air in space, we would be able to hear explosions from the Sun here on Earth up to 120 decibels. If you are as close to the Sun as Mercury, you would hear them as loud as 290 decibels, so loud that it will turn the sound to pressure waves. A lot of the material that makes up a human body, especially heavier than iron, can only be created when a star explodes. 6.63 quadrillion Earth can fit in the largest discovered star. There is a planet in the universe with so big density that 1 sugar cube on it is equal to all people on Earth. Most of the planets in the universe are made up of gas. Have you ever wondered how much costs the suit capable of resisting the vacuum? A full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. There are nebulas composed of alcohol in the universe. If 2 pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. The Moon was once a piece of the Earth. If you want to know how the Moon formed, check out this video here. The largest known asteroid is over 900 kilometers wide. The Sun's mass takes up to 99% of the solar system. Jupiter is a failed star. Well, the gas giants are called as failed stars because they contain the same basic elements as a star. Uranus orbits the Sun sideways. Earth's moon is the 5th largest moon in the solar system. The biggest is Ganymede, with its diameter over 5,000 kilometers, then Titan, Callisto, and Io. The moons of Uranus were named after characters created by author William Shakespeare, like, for example, Titania, Miranda, Oberon, Juliet, and more. There are over 10 times more stars in the universe than all the grains of sand on Earth. This number is over 200 sextillion. You can look at the past. When you look at a star, what you actually see is how it was in the past. These were some interesting facts about the universe. Hope you like them. Thank you for watching and be ready for another interesting videos. See you later.